Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. This is Off-Road 801. I'm Curtis, my wife Chantel's in the Jeep, and we're gonna go for a little adventure today. We're gonna go see some wild animals, so if you like wild animals, you like adventures, subscribe. Little button right down below. We're gonna call this our winter wildlife adventure. So all these places are accessible by car. You don't need four-wheel drive unless you decide to go in a snowstorm. So this is a good winter adventure. Salt Lake, Ogden area. They're all relatively close. So if you're up here skiing, snowboarding, and you have a day off, and you want something to do, head out on this adventure. Don't forget your binoculars and your zoom lenses on your cameras. We're supposed to have a major wind storm happen tonight. They usually happen, I don't know, I would guess like 2 to 3 times a year, and the clouds just roll over the mountains like a blanket. It's pretty crazy. We made it to Brigham City. Now we're headed west on Forest Street. I just passed the visitor center, but I'm not here to visit. I'm here to see wildlife. So west we go. I just noticed we got a pretty good sundog today. That usually means there's a storm coming. We made it out here to the bird refuge. We are gonna go do the little scenic loop and see if we can see any birds. There's a lot of ducks out there. I'm zoomed out all the way, so I doubt we'll be able to tell what kind of ducks they are. So this loop is a dirt road. Well, that was pretty cool. That hawk let me get right up next to him almost. I think I was 10 feet away from him in the Jeep. Hopefully you'll be able to hear all the sounds of the birds. It's really relaxing. Take a nap out here, listen to the birds. "34, whew, 2 degrees above freezing." We're gonna go see if we can find some eagles now. Going to Lost Creek. All right, we're almost to our exit here at Croydon. There's a little road up here that follows along the creek, and the eagles like to hang out in the trees. So hopefully we can see some. We'll let the cows out. Hi, dear. Okay, we're at the end of the road. We're at Lost Creek Reservoir. Well, they heard me. They're all starting to run now. I haven't seen this many deer in a while. So many deer. Okay, I'm right here by the bottom of Echo Reservoir. These elk like to hang out here in the wintertime. We went out to Antelope Island. It's not free. It's like 15 bucks a carload. I think you can have 8 people in your car. So cram them all in there and come on out. It is very cold. It's 32 degrees. The wind's blowing out of the north. It's cold. Antelope Island is one of 10 islands on the Great Salt Lake, but currently the lake is at an all-time low and it is not an island anymore. So get here before it all evaporates and we don't have Great Salt Lake anymore. So you can come out here and camp with the buffalo. Just eating some breakfast. This is the view to the south from Buffalo Point. That's looking over towards Layton. Look how big that buffalo is compared to that truck.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're down here at the Garr Ranch. We've seen some buffalo today already. Hopefully we'll get to see some antelope or something. I don't know.
Let's figure out what it is.
Okay, we're in the bunkhouse. This is where all the ranch hands lived. Look at this old record player. Well, look, I guess that's all the different layers of wallpaper. There's some kids, some flowers, and the old fuzzy wallpaper. Yeah, I guess maybe for storage. Somebody's house, I don't know. They have found Indian artifacts out here on the island when they built these houses and stuff. Looks like an old sheep herder wagon. It needs a remodel. I found a little geocache right here on this wagon, if anybody's looking for it.
Solid horse.
This is where they would shear the sheep back in the old days. Guess they just took their little shears up to this somehow. Man, he is giant. Thing is huge. Wonder what he found.
Of his tail.
Yeah, I think there's a dead animal there. The way he's acting. That was Antelope Island in the Great Salt Lake. Antelope Island, you can access it from I-15 in Layton and take the Antelope Drive Road west, and it takes you right out to the island. Lost Creek, take I-84 eastbound, about 35 miles up the canyon to Croydon. The Bear River Bird Refuge is right off Forest Street in Brigham City, and you just follow it west and it'll take you right out to the loop of the bird refuge. So it's almost a guarantee going out to Antelope Island, seeing a buffalo. I think they leave about 20 of them out where they let people drive. If you take the hiking or biking trails, there's I think they say there's 38 miles of hiking and biking trails. So if you come out to the bird refuge, you're pretty much guaranteed to see some birds. They're out here all the time. Going up to Lost Creek is a gamble. You never know if you're going to see animals up there or not. Most of the time you see some deer, but sometimes you don't see nothing. So, guaranteed Antelope Island, bird refuge for animals. If you're rolling the dice, if you're lucky, go up to Lost Creek. Well, nice. We got to see lots of wild animals in this adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you next time.